Hello, Namaskar everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Rutika and today in this video we'll be doing the project overview of Gera Vive Towers, which is located near Manjri Budruk, Kharadi, Pune and developed by Gera developers. And in this video we'll be discussing about below points, which is project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount, offers and many more. But before checking out the details, let me introduce you to Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly by the developer, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms, if you're just doing an inquiry, your number will be shared with different brokers, resulting a lot of calls. Well, Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home directly by the developer through Housey. तो चलिए अब हम बात करते हैं प्रोजेक्ट के ओवरव्यू के बारे में। Gera Vive Towers will be constructed on 7.5 acres of land parcel consisting of 6 towers. Each tower will be having ground plus 33 floors having 3 BHK, 3.5 BHK and 4 BHK premium residences. And now let's check out the surrounding and the connectivity of the project. As you can see, I am here at the actual location of the project. मेरे बैक एंड साइड में आप देख सकते हैं रहेगा इनका सेल्स ऑफिस और मांजरी बुद्रुक खराड़ी पुणे लोकेशन पे रहेगा इनका लैंड पार्सल. कमिंग टू द लोकेशन पार्ट, प्रोजेक्ट इज जस्ट लोकेटेड नियर इयन IT पार्क रोड, खराड़ी, पुणे. और जो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में मेरे रोड जा रही है डायरेक्टली आपको कनेक्ट करती है खराड़ी रोड से. कमिंग टू द कनेक्टिविटी पार्ट, तो कनेक्टिविटी आपको मिल जाती है इयन IT पार्क विद इन 2.8 किलोमीटर, Mundwa Kharadi Road within 4.2 km and also Reliance Smart within 4.5 km. And now coming to the amenities part of the project has 20 plus luxurious amenities like clubhouse, gymnasium, multi-purpose hall, jogging track, kids play area, senior scout area and many more. And now moving forward towards the carpet area of the project, Gera Vive Towers has 3 BHK, 3.5 BHK, 4 BHK premium residences, in which 3 BHK starting from 10622 1370 square feet and 3.5 BHK with 1677 square feet and 4 BHK with 2224 square feet carpet area. And now let's discuss about the booking process of the project. Project booking windows is open now. Clients can come and visit the site also. Our sales team will explain the complete project along with the 3D model and will share the pricing and payment schemes and show you the actual location tour of the project also. And then if clients like the project, we can continue with the booking process also. तो चलिए अब हम बात करते हैं प्रोजेक्ट के ऑफर्स और एडवांटेजेस की. तो ब्लॉकबस्टर डेज प्रेजेंट कर रहा है फेस्टिव बोनंजा ऑफर्स इन विच यू कैन चूज वन ऑफ दीज एज पर योर चॉइस. तो इन विच फर्स्ट वन विल बी जिंगल बेल्स जॉय, जिसमें आपको मिल जाता है इलेक्ट्रिक अप्लायंसेस का सेट. एंड सेकंड वन विल बी जिंगल बेल्स डिलाइट, जिसमें आपको मिल जाता है एप्पल अप्लायंसेस का सेट. एंड थर्ड वन विल बी जिंगल बेल स्टार, जिसमें आपको मिल जाता है 1.90% ऑफ स्टैम्प ड्यूटी का एडवांटेज. And these offers and advantage will be valid till limited time period only. So book your dream apartment and grab your festive offers soon. So everyone, this was the project overview of Gera Vive Towers, which is located near Manjri Budruk, Kharadi, Pune and developed by Gera developers. और अगर आपने ये लोकेशन में और कोई प्रोजेक्ट्स देखे हैं या देखना चाहते हैं तो do let us know in the comment section. And for more such videos, click on the given below link and do like, share and subscribe to Housey on www.housey.com. तो चलिए अब हम मिलते हैं हमारे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.